Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to continue on with regular expressions, and we're going to be looking for email addresses. And email addresses can be very complicated. We're going to start small, and we're going to go from there. So alright, if you're new here, that's what we absolutely do. One of the subscribers coined the phrase, and I stole it and ran with it. Micro videos. We do micro videos. So alright, we've been slowly dipping our toe in regular expressions. All right, I'm going to have this variable down in the description. So all right, let's just jump into it. So we know we got our pattern. Find all, then pattern, and then the string, which is our variable. There we go. Which is our variable email. So okay, let's just go ahead and get started. So we know W catches some stuff. So let's just start and see. Okay, and it helps if you import the module that you want to use. So okay. Whoa, alright, that's not exactly right. So that grabbed everything. So then here's something very important. Okay, the @ sign. Here we go. Now we're starting to break this down. So then I want to show you this. So this is just like when we're learning to program and we're searching for things we know. So alright, we could get real specific and do this. This is cheating real hard. Or let's just say what would happen? Well, here, what would happen if I do this? We could hard code this way. What'll come out? It's gonna have everything up to the dot. So then so how do we do that? We do dot. And we want to say, okay, I know that there are two different types. That would be if it's a company, and then I want everything that says .com. So then that can be one list. And then let's say I wanted only the government email addresses, and so on and so forth. So this is a very simple, very easy layout to grab because we controlled the structure there. When you're going to get these, let's just say off web pages, and we're getting real close, and I tried to throw this off to see that, and it didn't grab it, so that's why I had that in there. So we're getting real close because now we're going to have to start knowing to give an alert of when something starts and when something ends. So there's the hint. But this is the beginnings of how you go about using regular expressions to find email addresses. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do that and hit the notification bell, and also hit that like button for me. And please leave any comments, questions, or my all-time favorite, any video requests below, and I'll get right to them. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.